is 12, 21, 24, and we have a 2014 WX60 Infinity, 3.5 liter, same engine as a Frontier Nissan. So we have a alternator light on, and the battery currently is 12.34. So the light just came on, so the battery's still pretty full. Let's go ahead and start the car and see if we are charging. And you said by the time you drove over here, the light's off, right?
No, it was back on again. I
Oh.
turned it on earlier and it was off.
All right.
Okay.
Sure. Oh, so it's 11.65. Yeah, so your car is dead. Your alternator's not charging. Well, now it's charging. 12.7, 12.6.
It's not really charging.
And that, it's kind of like off and on. 12.4.
The lights aren't on, so it's going to come back on in a bit. You see those lights in the
Yeah. So this car is at 147, and that's that. All right. So we were watching YouTube, and the guy says to take out the alternator, you don't have to deal with the AC, but you do have to remove. So you're gonna take this tire off, remove the AC compressor, move that compressor slightly out of the way, take out the belt, of course, and then remove the tensioner out of the ground. Then you have room to get the alternator out and in, and that's somewhere between 2 hours worth of work, maybe in, and 2 hours worth of work out, in and out. So, and then O'Reilly's has this alternator around. The remanufactured one is $350 with lifetime warranty, and the not remanufactured one is $380. So I'll probably go with the $350 one. And then 2 hours of work in and 2 hours work out. All right, that's the alternator.